It's that good bathroom experience inducing chili right there. Ooh, y'all. Bite. Yeah, I'm gonna do it like that. Oh, that tastes really good. Spice. Spice gets you right because it ain't hot enough. See everything. All my little beady beads, y'all. All my scars. This Titan is really good.
Diversity. Miss Diversity. 3. Diversity. Miss Diversity. 3. Diversity. Miss Diversity. 3. Diversity. Miss Diversity.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Miss Diversity coming at you. What's up, my D3 tribe? And if you ain't part of the tribe, then you need to subscribe. How is everybody doing today? Good, I hope. Today I am bringing you a Wendy's taco salad mukbang. Now later on I might be on the toilet. I don't know when the last time I had Wendy's, y'all. But tonight, well, this morning we're having Wendy's. It's really, really late. It's late. And I'm somewhere. Somewhere, I don't know. Yeah, I hear all that noise going on. All that noise, making all that noise. So first I want to give a special shout out to... What's that? What was that? Something just snuck up in my camera. Shout out to Miss Janice from Wendy's. Thank you so much for looking out for your girl. I appreciate you, y'all. I don't need this rolling chair. I'm going to roll all over the place, y'all. Anyway, so we got the salads. We've got some chili. And I used to love Wendy's chili. We got some salsa. And we got some chips. We also got some chili oil, hot oil. I thought it was chili oil. Hot chili oil. And we got a pimp bottle of Crystal. Yay. Oh. Y'all, Janice was so sweet, y'all. She was really, really sweet. Anyway, we'll talk about that later on. First, let's go ahead and give thanks and get to grubbing. Okay, to drink, we have some H2O as always. Stay hydrated. Y'all, she's so silly. Well, I guess the jig is up, y'all. All right, and that's all we got. H2O, and I guess we're going to be kind of drinking on this hot sauce. So let's go ahead and make my plate. Make my salad. I think maybe I'm going to put it on half. You know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to put some here. That way I can... That way I can save it. Yo, I'm loving this lighting. Ooh. Ooh. Stop! I'm so darn silly. They go a little skimpy on the cheese, don't they? They must have knew I was lactose intolerant. But they gave me sour cream. Why they so skimpy on the cheese? And the tomatoes. They put like a salt bay sprinkle on it or something. Yo, it is hella late. I mean like hella super duper late. What is it, like after 2 o'clock? Yeah. It's like after 2 o'clock, y'all. All right. It's that good bathroom experience inducing chili right there. Oh, it's nice and hot. You want some of this, bro?
I'm good.
Okay. Well, if you don't already know, I am with Teen Lee because it's a place to be, y'all. I don't know exactly when this mukbang is going to come out. So for my tribe notification shout out, I'm going to insert it here, here, and here. Thank you so much for being part of the notification tribe. I truly appreciate you. Did I do this wrong? I just want to put the chips on the bottom, wasn't I? Does it really matter? I don't know. Y'all, I got tired brain. Oh Lord, don't mind the background noise. Don't mind the background noise. How's everybody doing today? What are you eating on? What are you sipping on? I hope that you had a wonderful day today. Ooh. You want a bite of that? See, I did it all wrong. You want a bite? Make it a mess. Get your bite. Ooh. Oh, that tastes really good. Uh-oh. Y'all moving stuff. She breaking stuff, y'all. I did my taco salad all wrongly. Tea. It's real good. You want some? Oh, you like Nene? Well, there's some salad over there. Oh. I do not know when the last time I had Wendy's. I don't think I've ever done a Wendy's mukbang, actually. Mukbang. If I did do one, I'm mistaken. If you find it, go ahead and drop the link below, and I'll shout you out in the next video. Ooh. You know, I'm a hot man. Ooh, stop moving, stop moving. Uh-oh, I messed it up. I'm sorry, sis. No, I just y'all just came and took over the studio. I need some more spice. Spice gets you right. Because it ain't hot enough. Y'all, thank you. You coming in? You watching your live mukbang? Yeah. I'm nervous. I'm just kidding. Go outside. You heard him? I already said because it's tea and leak, it's the place to be. Y'all don't have nothing to talk about. So it'll be mostly eating. Y'all didn't even put my sauce on. Y'all, I'm straight. I'm slipping. Well, I didn't open it, so I'm just going to save it. We're going to put some sour cream on there. Ooh, I'm making a mess. Wow. It's like more like nachos than taco salad. I'm gonna make this thing into nachos. Ooh, y'all. Get your bite. Yeah, I'm gonna do it like that. Like nachos. Like that. Anyway, let me do my spiel. If you'd like to be part of the... I don't need this chair. If you'd like to be part of the notification tribe, all you have to do is be within the first 3 to comment on my video, and I will shout you out on the following video. If for some reason I do not shout you on that video, I will double up, triple up, quadruple up on the video and shout you out then. Long story short, you will get your shout out, boo. Now to go ahead and tell y'all, because I'll be forgetting. Plus, whoever can tell me the last time I had Wendy's, because I don't think I ever had it on my channel. If you find it and you drop that link below, you get a shout out too. It's good. Hurry up, eat, sit and digest. Spend some time with my sissy. Like I said, I'm not sure when this is going to come out. So I might be all the way back. I might be already home. I'm not sure. Mm. I stopped off and got this because I got turned around and was going north instead of going south. I knew by the time I got where I was supposed to be going that nothing was going to be open. Because when my sister stays, they close extra early. I'm like, dang. So I told the kids, you better get you something here because there's probably nothing open when we get there. You know, the last time I went to Wendy's, I swear they had the value menu. This Wendy value menu was $2 on up. I'm like, what the heck? That's not a value. I thought junk was supposed to be cheap. Now see, we got the green screen action going on over there. There's gonna be nothing fancy behind me. You just gonna see green. Okay? Because Mr. Diversity don't know how to do all that. Not yet. But I don't know. Yeah, I like the green screen. Y'all want me to try to incorporate green screen? Not a lot. But do you like the green screen? I wonder how it would work that though. Set up my Chinese screen. I guess I can put some green cardboard or something on it, right? I don't know. But then I gotta edit all that in. Y'all know I'm not good with editing. Y'all thinking, Keisha, why you ask? If you gonna complain, why you ask? Y'all know I just be speaking what's on my mind. So did you have a good day today? And what did you do? And what are you doing right now? Y'all, this lighting is too good. I can see everything. All my little beady beads, y'all. All my scars. This lighting is really good. This table is a little bit too high for you, girl, but it's cool. Yeah, I'm glad I separated that salad out. That's gonna be too much. I'm sorry if this mukbang is a little mundane. If you are still with me, drop me a blue heart and a puff of smoke. Y'all know how I do. Oh, hold on. Got a burp. Oh, excuse me. Keisha burp. Drop that in the comment section below if you're still with me. So I'm not gonna lie, I understand. Something get redundant, you kind of like, okay, what else is there to watch? Unless you just absolutely love the person. I mean, y'all might not be on that status with me yet, you know? I understand, no hard feelings. I told you I'm guilty of it too. Look at this girl over here eating taco salad with a spoon. Mm. Woo! All right, that was good. Yeah, I feel better now. I can sleep happy now. All right, guys, we have come to the end of our program. Thank you for joining me for my Wendy's taco salad mukbang. Hold on, another Keisha bird coming. Ooh, excuse me, Keisha bird. Before I forget, if you haven't already, go ahead and check out LELE'S Gotcha channel, Adventure of Lele. Her link will be in my description box below, as well as at the end of my video. Like always, if you like what you see and you want to see more, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Hit subscribe to become part of the tribe, D3 tribe. Turn on your post notifications to be notified of any and every video that we release. Comment below and let us know that you're there. Share, because sharing is caring. Give this video a big old like or a dislike if it was your cup of tea. And stay tuned for more. Until next time, peace, love, and lots of hair grease. Deuces.
Mm-hmm.